Brother Mike, fast. We the night yard and person. Wow, burn your musa out in Musa. Oh, and you might. There more day. And more than Casanka. Around. Any penny more as out. What's it? Huh? Timber, any penny more as out. Debut, and you say, be a friend, I mean, a man for bit my idea, patch. We can't go natural. And yen papa and ass sound, carbon the other by what? What say a swing from say? Brother Mike. Ya would say, Mount, Brother Mike. Money was your room chair, you room chair, Brother Mike. When you nigh and saw her nigh, better, Brother Mike. International say, no, didn't come or say, Yamimuna Obano. And you do market one of our far too, no, Brother Mike. And you to make it no. And no, I'm said, oh, you're no commission, enemy first now. And you yamin, I'm a fan of Christo, our Hatta Suria, Yankopo, Bagra, Demnage Kunkum, and you're meeting a master. I can give you Kadia again. Oh, yes, I didn't, Brother Mike. Uncle who, oh, yes, I. This would him say, old Mike now, and confront you. Oh, my God. What? Oh, my God. What's it? And so, any day, Babana. Brother Mike, Eradi. Now, what's your mouth? Make us an intro. Say, you might be say, who said distraction be say, qua, no bit my and so big, no monawako baby. It will be born in you. I say, Bompayo. Wow, dear me, Bompayo. Eradi! Christoni, Bompayo. Wow, dear me, Bompayo. And what causes it? Nanye. Yanko. Nami no kredi. Ade bi on ma. I say why to us why ya ko too far. Nami no kredi. Na all the man tia Confronting junction. Am ya ko fa Breport junction na mi ndidi. Brother Mike. Ti madwuma wi pa say na tie. Brother Mike. I shall send the scene ebe. Ebe no kwa na obe ma me sa motivation nsa ye nante. Na o ka say didn't matter pabo we Brother Mike. Pebi talk. Come give me on media. I mean, no clear. One baby, I'm a man, the party. I'm just yeah. Now, when I just hear no saying, yeah, I them they are sending a bush of food. What's a mini on a banana? They are dinner. I might David win him and yet to pass him. And yes, sir. And I make sure say, Sikana, your Jenny bridge and so on no way. And I make sure the own seminar my hair bush and see. And I say, me to me, cut town, to me, going your baby. Into me a G and a mobile money no bay and I'm send you. Na me mean send you who dear. What's what you see? What the bonnet beche? Is here my airy. And see, then away. Nancy and you now. James, young baby, young queen in baby in the account. Why, James? Who's a person you want more than Tabassi and I try, never be sad and run. I didn't say your so, per se, you be quite a young time, we be a near Gia. We fast. What's my journal? We have Matthias. Bibi in Sequo. What would see me? Bibi in Sequate. Bibi in Sequa. I don't say, I'm descending a bush and for Bibi and your qua and your qua. Yeah, men, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any monster, Jamaya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah.
Then I'll pay for me. What do you want from me?
Maybe book now. I just watching down.
When you're crying, man, Timo, I'll be going to my watching. Oh, did they need for me? Obia best school Muhanoma. This old chili paco. It's nothing. What can me once watching? Are they lessons? Hey, precious. What did you want when they come up physical? Me boo and kasa mo hu se me boo.
Awo. Bone yenhwe. Bone yene bien yenhwe. Aye. Hit her, I dare you. Why do you like causing problems in this school like that, Santua? Why?
Don't you touch me.
Them don't need to me more. I am a yo pan me more. I am a yo.
Nipa kone cards no wecha awonso
na woni bi oye ya obe support no woni bi oye I didn't say also be abe school ma o come want some train no is it fair?
It's because your attitude is not good.
If you didn't do it, I wouldn't have told her you did it.
Just when you back up with me found so ojina how me come about me
Don't try. Go back. Don't try Asante.
I was telling you. Yes.
Imagine.
Menjijuwan ma wutimu nya o de se when you back up for her enjijuwan no wouldn't they meet me
I'll take it for you. Me, I'm scared that if I go, maybe she come and hit you.
Let me take it myself.
Hey, Precious.
Let me pick it up.
Men, you're not I believe the cause problems too.
I've no way and me sad now.
I'm not a MP.
I need to be come what's my be supporting no.
Because Apple.
Me press say.
Intend to meet no baby in John one.
So why you say you know you see emotional you know the
emotional body. Asantwa, can't you just live peacefully? Stop causing problems for yourself.
And you catch you so minding the business.
And I want to jay the area was school.
My day.
So pana cause commotion, cause problems. Abad, this your papa today commando. Why?
I can't montiasem. Let me chimple me chimple.
And come when you was
chimple. You was me catch the whole school, me catch will be as a much.
The young there, cause only in America the mad.
Me the young neck as a moon chimple like the rabbi will be a coming once and let me go.
Yeah, leaving.
Would they be the cheddar one should be a man in Jira say.
Come on, the bomb. Wow.
A bomb,
Cavede.
A bomb,
a yellow.
Shame. That's a me about to know
you can do it. You can do it, Bruce.
Now we could be house. I paid him to ask him.
And did you any more no rackets or me? Nimby bits the iron.
Now, my to the my man then they did or broom cable to me and a my son's house allowed Brana. I like catching that you can do it. You can today chili that you can do it. I demand not to my into it, like Tiana Abu in it while I am winning that. Imagine now we have fuel.
Oh, jive, so much champion.
I am champion.
What's one there, Cassapy?
Hey,
Abadi. Share. Hey, onion. Hey.
Where they cry me pill.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way.
Hey,
Schoolers.
hey,
Doctor. There are some about the piano for people do.
Yes, make up baby house I said to say.
Some of them to the more come on from them and come on.
That's a meeting.
It's gonna be here.
Who yes, get any fee? If you're there, anyhow,
With the media from
any day means to me one no. You'll be dear or hand and one you if you're doing be a PBA.
my demo added.
What the more they bankunio?
Me pesca, na the ad in pesca.
How pisca the area?
Pesca the air we see.
Who pisca? All the other. Who is all the other?
Cigar. Come with say. You could eat.
One who could eat.
And you can let me baby girl, you call zoo date.
Who pisca from morning a ketia coin, aku zoo.
You could eat.
What bodam ni zoo ben say a ketin and casem. Onaka namo nye zoo that I know namo.
You know what you are saying, I know we are in a cassette here.
What bodam ni cassette and Matthias and Quasasama Becate me any day. Mr. Matthias, ye Matibi Bias kama, na Matibias kama na upiska kozua a ketino no nyezuna no namoro. Uhe ne nimo uni nyezuna na hunu.
Thousand Ghana na kozua ko share lion.
Unni wose abuo funtas Ghana epe.
Na thousand Ghana na wunya.
Wose mfa ne bo. Thousand Ghana enyeska. Wa bodamon. Abuo afa ketina afa ni shekeji. Ukoba ro abehelo.
Ah, papa, be a wagina to my walls, near my coso, like what genus or Tony and in our command on the assembly walking.
Eh no chese me ni asem bia na asem na wo ka na asem fon de o kan nyansa bi anim.
Ah, papa.
No pe baby fa ne kwa wo se zoo.
Na 1,000 Ghana support here me call holidays like you call holidays you call date bi go zoo na ede. Ya plan dada.
Zoo na nkasa na me ka na me pa che se enye because zoo na nkasa wo de akete no di ni ju a e mo be chini so mu nua no enti fa ne nko. Fa ne pe baby for ne fa ne ko. Enkan nyo nkan kwasa asem.
Aye 1,000 Ghana na wunya ma me ana say phone na person otu ye.
Mini 1,000 Ghana ni bi.
Uni 1,000 Ghana ni bi.
200
maku 5 uni bi.
Mini bi.
Papa uni bi.
Mini bi.
Okay, we shall see. Papa, we shall see. Why?
Mwasema kwa se me ni akete ni kuzu. Jimi kakraka asia ye bibia wo hunyansa obodama kwa. Hey, Gary akete. Kwa me din be faso no. Kwa me be fo hwe school ni kura no bi dwane tentem. Undu bebia ni odwane. Na de berberber no betum se kim. Bi hu kwa me din be faso. Wa jim se mtu fo wuntie pede ya ma ompe. Yese de enye puofu.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months I drum meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso drum meya. Me pesa me come any months so we meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hello, be thy name.
Hey, Minion. Oh, I'm going to show you.
Well, I feel them. I mean, I feel you say.
I just have condenser. Me say, okay, me show.
Who show me?
Me here home work kakra.
I think in one way.
Come so me be 500 cedis.
500 say.
500 cedis me dey talk ko na no.
Ah. What a weird you for man.
Oh, as I'm to me fashion di wo form.
Who kotokoko 500 cedis.
Me papa na send this kan ma me. Unse maka cho se ne bo for me. Tin ne kwa my friend is akwa on fi me. But me sure say by Ochan day na me sa kan to dey.
Who pay 500 cedis at 2 and say who the kotokoko keke.
Na say 500 dey just. Me dey talk koko.
500 ni just on.
Me dey talk.
And ko pay bi na me ni bi.
Papa so be mam $5,000. E ba, unse me nyan, me ma 10,000.
Huh?
10,000. Me ma 10,000 na dey show. Oh, asanto Jimmy di.
Boa.
Jimmy di asanto e ba me you show. E ah, ses kan kwa dey kitu bi mpo di ma me ba. O dey ba kwa e be chimutu. Na wo fa me fa kwai.
Ah.
Asanto me here just 500 cedis da kotokoko no jawo ya we. O fa mami ana.
500
just
yeah,
500 cedis.
Me yo.
Now be na say
500 me ya. Bia be 200.
200 cedis there. Na be me there. 200 cedis there. Unya kakra bia amfanka.
Hwe bebe yare o me mpe ha o 200 na menya ma obeji ana me nko.
Menya okwanka minje o. Anya wo na akwaye wa ka minje. Ba ode nya hwe.
Ntu beji.
Ode fama misa.
Hey. Okay.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months I drum meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day.
Mr. Precious, I don't know how to find Opoku for you. If I knew, I would have shown you where he is. If I knew where he was, I would have shown you. I don't know where he is. And I wish I could help you. So you don't know anything. So wait. I still don't understand. What is the point of all this? I want to know how is Opoku related to you? Why are you still looking for him? Just open your mouth and tell me the truth. I feel like the truth is obvious. I'm better I will catch me. You have to tell me. Yeah, before I can help you or look for him for you, you have to tell me.
Some say, no Opoku name.
I know.
Me,
I know. I can tell. Oh, come on. Me to me who by me person will catch me. I'm not even sure. Oh, I will not tell anyone. Trust me. I will not tell anyone. So I'll try my best to help you. I'll try and then. I don't know. You see, I just know Opoku from school. I don't even know who his mother is or his father is. So at this point, you have to like find information for me, and then I'll also try and look for them for you. Like try and look for his family, try and look for the people around him, so that we'll look for him. Do you understand? So you only more beno. I was outside. So if you need any help at all, that's something that Opoku was supposed to do for you or is supposed to do for you, you just tell me and then I'll come and help you. Yeah, at this point, I have to help you and Opoku because I feel like Opoku has been good to me and you seem very frustrated and I want to help you because I don't want to see you like all frustrated and all that. Somebody's coming, don't talk.
You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. We give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. We give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. Wonderful. You are worthy.
When I was school, why? Like, don't be coming there. I'm normal. Most of them, don't come there. Well, don't come for now. Why? Remember for now. Why? Let's try. Why?
Please stand here. How are you doing?
I'm absolutely fine.
Oh, thank God. Sister Cunningham, I was waiting for you. Please.
As I was.
Who is that girl?
As I
Asade.
As I was.
I don't want to say Asade.
No, come here. You were waiting for me as
you saw. Yeah. Please. Who is that girl? The one I saw you with.
Why? Why do you want to know?
Oh, why shouldn't I know?
Why now I have to report everyone that I stand with to you?
No. That's not what I mean.
Then
see, she's pregnant, right? Well, that's why I want to know who is she because I've not seen her.
But how is that your business?
Oh, come on. Listen, I'm not trying to be nosy. I just want to know what's going on. Like, who is she?
She's my friend.
Your friend? As in friend?
Yeah.
So you guys were friends? Were you friends before she got pregnant or
yeah.
Before she got pregnant?
Yeah. Jesus Christ, she's my childhood friend.
And why? Why is she in that condition?
Why is she in that condition?
Yeah.
She had sex with a man. Well, I don't know that when you have sex with a man, you get pregnant.
Oh no, God! Hey, Sister Cannon, you see, this is why I was concerned. You know, because to be friends with somebody like that, she might
like what?
Have an influence on you.
No. She's my friend. She's my childhood friend, and I don't mind talking to her, even though she's pregnant. So,
yeah.
She said, "Oh, nyami so na ewo muna nyami sem na wesiano." Me obi anyem no me ntone, right?
Oh no, that's not what I mean.
So what do you
mean? So you were down for there, and also she wanna muntu ye. So.
No, I know Popo person me.
Oh yes, it's a self person me kasa wi ntem na. What is that?
Say the entia. Bible ne kra ka asem bi wom. Say abonif baby abonif for one. We say okoko. Na o sese san right? So the okoko baby papa for anyone.
No, that's not what I mean, Sister Cannon. The thing is, the person know how you relate to her.
Yeah,
you understand?
Somebody is like that, right? I have to be close to the person, help the person, and all that.
So who got her pregnant?
I don't know.
You don't know.
It's none of my business.
And the boy no share responsible.
Me in cash in show. Me in the
No,
is that why you stopped me?
That's not the only reason why.
What is the reason? What is the other reason?
Sister Connie. I want to have some, you know. I want to have some time.
Excuse me.
Huh?
Excuse me.
You don't even listen to me.
Excuse me. I'm going.
Oh, Connie, Sister Connie, why? Stop. Why are you acting as if we are enemies? We are not enemies, right? Are we? Are we enemies?
I'm kind.
Come on, Sister Connie.
Don't hurt me.
I'm not hurting you.
You want to hurt me?
Please.
Who is so prime?
We are talking.
Or do you want me to go and report that you met me somewhere and they wanted to use this thing to hit my head? Then give me away.
You are wonderful.
Yeah, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today we go.
Na mi feki ma ko yedai.
Ye kwaji ahome wodem.
Wo ko yedai.
Ye kwaji ahome.
Moko wa bodam na ojo ahome ba bia wuntimi njo ahome.
E ho aye ma ase mo sua ade wo ho no.
Ne fefe fitin. Twebe pop ba bia ehimfa na wuntimi ntra njo ahome. Endi na chi o.
Oh, de be show kura wo mu nza shi wo.
Na eshi wo mi ga ehimfa na nwunu wo.
Edenye dem.
Edem na nwunu wo. Edem horse. Mi fi me koye ma de ye.
Wo de ma ye nko no na wo de faki ni ma ye.
Mi faki ni ma. Seno Krachi me ka kire se wonye wage se ukosua de a enye wage se obeje ohme sabire obi a usua de
ye kwa ibesua bi wodem
okwa ba de ubesua bi wodem
reproductive system
ma min tufo e fa ahụ kwasa mpanyin wi ma woni mra dusua o ti de me ka cho no ma woni mra dusua wuni no so de betina school ma se sua de adusua na eso mo woni koso enye wei e na obedi na chi
ukosua bi wodem
ukosua de odem amukosua de odem ukosua de odem me nya kwasa mpanyin se wo minim nyansa papa ma dwumudu me na me wo enyo na awo me e no abekere me de wo pe me e na esem kire de wo beye wate wonim se fufufu na de ache so wo obeje so wo kwa kosua de sa abiri e na mum yenko yinyine enko ne enko samso me enko baby amso me koje ma
enko baby nti wo faki ni ma like
enko nya anto enyenche mum yinyine enko ne yinyine enko je ahom
ani na zo ko baby
me nya enko yinyine enko ye kwa koje ahom
ada
akete yinyine enko ye koje ahom why
nene my space kakre
o de kwan
ti ye koje ahom awia wo mu ye ko de makwa
me nso me hu se awia abon ti mi nso mpese yinyine enko ne koje ahom
Waki aso pacho ti le mi kunu ne kakre
ne fefe tin papa baba po won
Fumawe no show the fuma ni onko wa
wo a woboni a o to ba bi nka wo a woboni a mum ye nyine nko Ye nyina ne yeko. Sie nyina nkoje ahome a, mo nkoje ma home.
Nene wo kodi ya na fakini ma ya ni.
Mesi ye nyina ne yekoje ahome nya sade ne me ko.
Dem. Na uyi.
Aso.
Daddy what? Iddi. Usuli. What? Mudi ni mo sick.
Oh, sexy daddy. Daddy Salu. Oh, Salu. Oh, daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broke with me.
You know these people they talk. Eh? Did you talk to anybody inside? Oh. You know how cry and you safe. You know these people they talk too much.
The date team. I'm saying, just told me who Opoku.
Really?
No. Oh, come to me.
Only baby out.
Baby, oh, Mashishana.
I don't know where he stays.
It's Miss Low. I see me beside us and cow a Caribbean. Come on, be to you.
Kaka. Oh, Opoku. But you just calm down. I just feel like maybe he's having some financial crisis or something. You know he's a student. So let's just understand him for now. Maybe wako baby cry or try so bebrena. Wabana with me ama uska. I understand.
Come to me.
This is the money that I was going to use to buy something. Take this.
So we come.
I use it to buy water. Hey,
but it's that precious. Oh, you cry? So that's about it. That's it.
Just for the sake of the baby.
No.
So let me take your number, right? Whenever you want to come, then you call. Don't come without calling. Oh, from now on, I member. What's the name again? Flower. Hey.
Precious.
Yeah.
I've been waiting for you inside. Won't you come and remove the things for me?
Oh, I'm coming.
Hurry up and then come and remove the things.
I'm coming, eh? This is the reason we will create a different story. No, so don't be coming here. Call me. I can meet you somewhere else. Okay. Oh, then I'll see you later. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broke with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Did you have to come and stand there and talk to me? Huh?
Precious, you have a lot of explaining to do, right? Precious, who was that?
Certain lady that needed my help. Oh. I was going to buy something and I just saw her and she said that, she hasn't eaten anything, so I just gave the money I was having to her.
Precious, they be the one. They obi I want you money baby. Also pisika I want to be kaka bwana maniska. Precious, I'm a bra. I remember one chen. A kitchen there. I will any ma'am.
No. These are two different scenarios. You are not really suffering, right? Oh, suffer.
Precious, no one can make it
but my person just won't do level. But my person sure also say you have money to afford food, right? But she clearly doesn't, and she also has a child in her stomach.
Hey, bre.
Me won't know I crash him.
Precious, why can't she have some sense or maybe some sense of urgency or something to go to maybe the person that impregnated her? Or you don't impregnated? So
one can baby says cow.
Precious.
Yes, wicked and foolish guys need be impregnating. So definitely she doesn't have the money to get it. So let's not blame the lady or something. I've been able to help her. We should thank God and now she get something to eat.
That's just it's not always you should be helping people like this.
Then I wouldn't help you again. Then I wouldn't help you again. If I shouldn't be helping people, then I wouldn't help you again. You should be happy to have helped someone. You know how hunger is like.
Precious, I wear this can come on when I remember where I catch him that when you see
me was coming from out. The first thing I come to the but right now I know how you are. Who was cowbell save? You know have a Jimmy. Just I wanna watch you so. Wakwa your hair cut near my so I wanna wear fresh. Would you see Canada they acquire fresh? Let's go. I said I'll come so that you send me that song, no. Song we don't know.
Me say Daniel no. Me so I me do me talk and I'm too. I say Hajia Vudage.
I
say Vudage.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so drum meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Oh, that's okay. Santua.
Sir.
There's something I'd like to discuss with you. You know I like you so much. Yeah, you're one of my favorites. Yeah, you know that. Oh, you're not aware you're not.
Sir, I know.
Good. There's something I'd like to discuss with you, and I think it's going to help me. Right? Oh, yes.
You say, what is it?
Look at you.
I'm just curious.
You're curious?
Yeah.
Curiosity kills the cat. Anyway, as I'm trying, not a cat, so you're not going to die. It's about those new girls I asked you to take care of.
Lydia and the other one.
Yes, Sewa. What is her name? That's Sewa, right?
Sewa.
Yeah, it's about Lydia and Sewa, but specifically, it's about Lydia.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want you to, just like, I don't know how to put it, but you try to get into her for me.
Hey, say.
Don't shout. It's just that it's between us. You know I trust you so much. So I really have to have this with you. It's the reason for me bringing them to you. Other than that, I would have asked the housemaster to take care of them. But for my interest, you see, I have to let you be the boss at the hostel, you know.
Okay. Say no yawa. No yawa.
Are you sure? Is it a deal?
It's a deal.
Yes, I trust you.
Enter her brain. I'll do everything clean
yes,
job.
Clean job. No traces. I trust you, Asandra. I trust you. I know you can do this. But I'm really interested in her. Yeah, I'm interested.
And she's a nice girl too. Yeah, she's beautiful.
Have you seen something?
I've been observing her for a while now. And you know she's close to me, so.
Then it's a done deal. It's a done deal.
Yeah.
I trust you. Yes, Asandra.
Say.
And I'm for Asandra is not good. Asandra is not good. I wonder. Is it because they've not come closer to you or what?
Say they just don't like me.
They don't like you?
Yeah, they don't like me because I'm straightforward. Like, yeah, me my own comment.
Asandra, before no more your mom had a pass. Asandra, what the Makuma, what the
Ala headmaster. Ala obia bua.
Share.
Ala.
Oh, minu. You see the own 9 and 10. You bet your passes are system corner passes on corner.
Do you have a body face amount? Baby.
My lunch, what do you care for? And I didn't catch our lunch.
Hey.
Then no scrano say the far consistently 3 months lunch in your other.
So they come down, go baby, a Garia Kuma.
Asanto Gobenig.
We are no more bones. You say.
Debbie, lunch for the raise ban. Raise, when I say raise ban.
Yeah, loaded fries.
Sir, and one with the message child drink.